Cyber College Cymru is an extracurricular skills programme devised and designed by industry to teach young people the cybersecurity skills and knowledge that they need to secure an early start in a career.
So we started Cyber College Cymru back in 2019. We have over 100 students involved from 3 colleges, Merthyr, Ebervale and Bridgend College. And more importantly, we've got some great partners involved. Welsh Water are involved, Talis are involved, Bridewell Security and Admiral Insurance.
The main benefits of the Cyber College Cymru programme are that it's a virtuous cycle. Employers become an employer of choice by offering their employees with the opportunity to pay it forward and give something back to the next generation. Educators receive support in having the programme scheduled and coordinated on their behalf.
So Cyber College Cymru course has been partnered with us for a couple of years now. The key changes is in their confidence. It helps them develop teamwork skills, their ability to talk to people from all different walks of life, and also prepare them for when they do go into the industry, hopefully in the future.
So not only is it important for Welsh Water to ensure that we have skilled people coming to work for our organisation, but within our supply chain ecosystem, it's essential that we have skilled people who have the technical capability to provide those essential services to Welsh Water.
So we've been one of the partners from the start. We're really engaged with the programme. We've got a number of our staff members involved in it. Seeing the students evolve on their journey is absolutely inspiring.
I think cybersecurity skills are, critical for everyone these days. And if you think about youngsters today going through college and university, the more cyber savvy they become, the more secure the technology products of the future are going to be.
My experience in the programme was really good. Getting hands-on with things like Try Hack Me, immersive labs, the actual practical things that we've done with experienced personnel was really good.
So Cyber College Cymru helped me prepare for my career by just laying out for me all the options I had. So when the employers came in, they said you can do university, but there's also a lot of degree apprenticeships, which is the option I went for. It helped me to find that job, and they point me in the right direction of how to look for these things and what happens in the world of work.
It's just been an amazing journey so far. There's so much that we've explored. It's amazing.
I think we need more women in our sector.
Yes, we do.
It's definitely something I would recommend for all young women.
We have some great students coming through the programme now that are looking for job roles in the industry. So it would be great if we could get those college children involved in your organisations. We keep them in Wales. It's great for the Welsh economy, and it's great for the students that don't have to go outside of Wales to work in the cybersecurity industry.
The workforce of today, training the workforce of tomorrow, means that we have a truly virtuous cycle where education and industry are working together hand in hand for the future.